Welcome, this is the term 4 final review sheet solution tutorial. Here I will be covering number 2. Number 2 asks us to find the vertex. Is the vertex the minimum, maximum? Then find the line of symmetry. To do this, first let's make sure we understand what the words say. When they look for the vertex, what are we referring to? The vertex is referred to where the parabola turns. So here you're going to look for where it turns. If it is the highest point is called the maximum. Then if it is the lowest point, I'll make this orange so we can see the color difference. The lowest point is going to be considered the minimum. Then the line of symmetry is going to be the equation where it is the equation that describes the line that cuts the shape in half. All right, so we write these words so you have an understanding of what we're doing. Let's go to A. In red, I'm going to be marking down the parabola. The parabola is right here, and it is this point of 2, 2. It is going to be the lowest point here because you cannot go any lower here. Therefore, this becomes the minimum. The line of symmetry is going to be the line that cuts it in half. So if I draw the line here, you see how it's not cutting anything? I cut it down right here. Notice it crosses this point. Do you see that too here? It crosses this point. So you can say that the line of symmetry is x is equal to 1. Oh no, x is equal to 2. Because it crosses x equals to 2. Let's do the next one. The point for B is right here at 0, 0. This is the highest point. So that is the maximum. The vertex of 0, 0 is considered the maximum because it's the highest point. Now let's draw that line that cuts it in half. It goes down where the x is. So it is x is equal to 0. Please note that the line of symmetry is the vertex, the x value of the vertex. Next, let's do C. The vertex is this point. Okay, it is in between points here. So this is negative 6. So it is in between here. So this is negative 5. And it is in between here. And this is negative 9. So that is that vertex. This is going to be considered, let me write this for you. And this is the lowest point because it cannot go any lower. As the lowest point, it is called the minimum. The line of symmetry is what cuts it in half. And it cuts it down right here where x is equal to the x value of the vertex, which is negative 5. So you write x is equal to negative 5. There you go. That is how you do number 2.